Yo guys, welcome to Country Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. It's a nice sunset flight. I'm here flying with my friend again. So he's got his DJI Neo. I've got my DJI Mini 3 Pro. Ready to take off. So without further ado,
take off. Home point updated.
So we're in the air now. I'm going to do a 360 photo. So we're going to get a shot of the skyline, as you can see. Look at that sunset, it's insane. Have you taken your drone off here? Let's let it take off. Yep, go up. Oh, so as you can see, his drone is flying as well.
Where's your drone?
It's up in the sky, way up in the sky. We're in Victoria Park, yeah.
Max altitude reached.
So yeah, in this last flight, his controller had a bit of issues. It nearly landed and he nearly lost it. But we tested this controller again. It seemed to be working fine. The water ingress seems to be fixed. All right, so I've done my 360 photo. So let's just zip around. So yeah, really nice shot. So yeah, we're just gonna explore the area of Victoria Park while he flies his drone around. I'm getting some RC interference. There might be too many Wi-Fi access points around, causing interference. Because that happens. Maybe his drone is interfering, but so I'm gonna fly back to where I am. We're gonna go back. So you can see what this building over here. Let's go nearby that as well. So what a nice shot. So his drone making a little bit of noise for my video, so I'm gonna go a little bit back. So yeah, gonna get footage of Victoria Park, as you can see. Got the motorway over it, got the dual carriageway over here. Just gonna orbit around.
What's the way to bring it here?
Press forward on the joystick. So I'm getting a bit of interference. Look at that shot. I'm going to orbit around this.
I think we should go towards.
Yes, walk towards it.
We have to go?
Pick the bag. Look at that shot of Stratford as well. You can see Stratford. Are you looking at the camera as well? Get good footage as well, so I can include it in my video. Alright, let's go ahead, yeah? Hello. I'm gonna go close to your drone actually. Let's get a shot of your DJI Neo. Probably see it in the sky. Right below us. You can see it right here.
Where's your drone?
Right here. Go higher. Go as high as you can, yeah? Go a little bit higher. Got a shot of you.
Back.
Huh? Oh, be careful, yeah, don't hit my drone. We're close. Let's not bump heads. We're gonna go to a higher altitude. I don't want to bump heads. Keep it on still, yeah? So I can get a orbit shot of it. We don't wanna collide. Last thing we want is that for that to happen.
Hello, with your back.
I know. Don't worry, we're not gonna hit. I'm saying stay still.
Stay by.
I know.
You see it?
I'm at different altitude, so we're not gonna hit. What's your altitude?
Huh?
What's your altitude?
What is it?
What's your altitude?
What do you mean?
How high is your drone?
Where do I see it from?
From the screen. Look at that. Insane. Shot with DJI Neo. We're gonna go close. I don't want to go too close. Obviously we don't want to hit. Just leave it on still. Get a shot of my drone on the screen as well. Let's go closer, man. Let's zip around. I want to go down here. I want to get some FPV shots. Let's get some FPV shots. Oh, we can't do that. Why? My shortcut's not working properly.
Should we go bro, cross it?
Yeah. Let's walk towards it. Let's walk towards it. We're gonna go walk towards where we wanna go. So, yeah. Maybe I can use active tracker to walk towards it. So we're gonna get a shot of this building as well, as you can see. As I can see, it's flying there. We're going up in altitude. And we're gonna orbit it as well. Let's get an overhead shot and see what's there. Nice orbit shot. Let's see what's below. Alright, let's start heading towards here. There's a canal there. Let's go. Let's get a footage of the canal. So I'm gonna go down it. What a nice shot. So my friend's getting footage from his drone and I'm trying to overlay it as I get shot of this canal. And I'm walking towards the area anyway. Alright, let's start getting orbit shot. So you can see the city of London in the background. Alright, let's start heading back and get a shot. Coming back as well. Nice shot we're getting. You know, I want to get a sideways shot of the city of London. Canary Wharf, you can see. What a nice shot. Yes! I'm walking towards it, it's fine. Yeah! Alright. I need to find my home point. Let me set my home point, so. Yeah! It's here. Let me get a shot of this lake as well. Alright, I'm gonna ground my drone now. Alright, so I'm just gonna end the drone flight right here. It's getting dark now, so yeah, I'm gonna land my drone. We're gonna do another drone flight soon.
Fast.
I'm gonna open my fast, that's why I'm stopping drone flight right here. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight and I'll speak to you soon.